Hi everyone, welcome to Ladies Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Today I've got for you a nice flowy stretching routine. We're gonna stretch every little part in our body and go slightly beyond. If you're stuck with your workouts, come and check out the Ladies Dance Studio where I'm gonna guide you through all the exercises, have workout plans ready for you so you don't have to think about anything, and exclusive workouts. Otherwise, if you're ready for this, lie down on the floor and let's stretch it. Here we go, guys. Let's start sitting on the floor, legs crossed or one in front of the other. Up to you, whatever you like. It's all fine. So from here, first thing I want you to do is find that beautiful posture. Because I know we're stretching, but sometimes we start already here and it's not good for our body. So already feel that stretch coming up. Very good. From here, we're gonna lift up. Nice, beautiful arms. Don't engage the shoulders. Nicely relax down. From here, we're gonna go down to the side. I'm gonna move slightly to the side. Down to the side. Very good. Stay there. From there, we're gonna rotate. It's a nice, easy peasy moving around. We go all the way around. And we come up the other way. Start again. Up. Extend to the side. Keep the opposite sit bone on the floor. From there, stretch. Don't cover your face. Push the chest forward. Very good. From there, relax down. Go all the way. Come back to the side. Start again. 2 more. Side to side. Up here. Extend to the side. Don't cover your face. Chest out and open. And release down. Very good. And come up to the side. And again, other way. Feel the side stretch. Elongate. Don't let it sink here. Elongate. Very good. Down. Down. And come up from here, nice and easy. One foot in front of the other one. It's nicely placed here. Completely, hair everywhere. Completely flex and parallel. We're gonna go up and up. Engage the quad. Push from underneath your leg. And we go and release down. From here, we curve up. From there, we curve and we release even more. And we go up. From here, place your hands behind your bum. Push your chest up and open. Very good. And release. One more. I'm losing my mic again today. Lift up. Release down. Engage abs, roll up. From there, roll back on top of that. Release up to the ceiling. Hands behind your bum. Push. Push up towards the ceiling. And come down. One more. Release up. And elongate down towards your foot. Engage your abs. Come back up. And recurve on top of it. Release up to the ceiling. Very good. Hands behind. Push your chest up towards the ceiling. It's like you want to push yourself away from the floor and come back down. Very good. Swap around. I'm having serious troubles with pants and microphone today. Very good. Good to know. From there, foot on top of the knee. Don't let it come here. Nicely up here. Hips in front. Flex your foot, engage the back of your legs, engage your quads, you go up, stretch. From here, release down. Very good. Feel the stretch. Engage your abs, roll up slightly. From there, re-roll down using your abs. Elongate. Come towards me. Go up to the ceiling. Pull your hands behind your back. Chest nice and open towards the ceiling. Very good. And down. One more. And release down. curve up, curve back down, release up, hands behind your bum, push down onto the floor, release up towards the ceiling. Very good. One more. Up, and down. Curve up. Release down. Come towards me. Elongate before. Yes, calm down. Elongate towards me. Come up to the ceiling. Hands behind. Lift up and down. Very good. Little butterfly. Guess what? We're gonna go side to side. So butterfly, your feet are right in the middle. One leg goes out, the other one stays there. From here, lift up. We're gonna go arm in first. The other one is up in fifth. Flex that foot. Nicely elongated wherever you can. Relax the opposite leg. Go down. And come back. And again, up and over. Big balloon in front of you. You're trying to reach both sides and your foot super flexed. And come up. And again, up, up. To the side. Lift up and open. Find that posture right in the middle. Don't sink at the back. That's what we're here for. Last time. Up, up. Reach both hands both ways. Heel nicely flexed. Come back in. Back to the center. Two legs or two sides. Other way. From here. Up, up. Elongate towards the side. There is one that is always a bit tighter than the other. Just push and pull the two hands. Very good. And open. Very good. Again, elongate. Extend towards the leg. Very good. Don't cover your face. Keep that chest open. And up. And up again. Flex that foot as much as possible. And down. Very good. Don't cover. Open up. And up. One more for good luck. Up, up. Extend. And reach. 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 And come back up. Very good. From now, we're gonna go. One foot up, one foot down in front again. We're gonna dive like we did. We're gonna dive down and reach up. We're gonna literally go continuous. And then we're gonna reverse it. So from here, you curve, you go towards the leg, you extend. Again, and up, and down, and up, and down. Up and down and up, reverse, arch, curve up here and arch and curve and arch and curve and arch and curve. Very good. Swap legs other way. Lift up. Going to dive. So dive, go nose towards the belly button. Belly button. Up. Keep that foot super flexed. And up. Curve and reach. Up. Curve and reach. Up. Reverse. Arch. Stick your bum out. Arch. And arch. Curve back. And arch. Curve back. Very good. Side to side. But this time, rather than going to the side, hips are facing the front. We are twisting towards the leg and we're doing exactly the same thing. So diving and then arching. Couldn't say it. Very good. Dive, dive towards the leg, leg super flex, stretch, foot super flex. And go, dive, reach up, dive, reach up. Towards the belly button still. reach up, down, reach up. Flex your hands as well. And you go arch, roll up, and arch, roll up. Very good. Arch, roll up, and arch, roll up. Very good. Change. Getting a bit of blood flow going as well. Hips in front of me. Feel that nice posture. And then the only thing that you do is say, hello foot, over there. Very good. Go up and flex your arms. Don't come halfway. Try to reach chest towards the ceiling. Let's do this. And go. Dive, up, up. Dive, up, up. Dive, up, up. Dive, up, up. Reverse. Arch, release, and arch, release, and arch, release, and arch, and release. Very good. From there, feet in front. From there, lift up. We are going to go opposite hand to foot. So we're gonna go straight up, twist to the side, go down. Very good. Arms come up to the top. From here, we flex our foot and we extend the leg and we try to pull even more. From here, try to look under your elbow. Very good. Bend, stretch, and try to look under your elbow even more. So find a twist, find the stretching. If you can't reach there, grab the outside of the leg, go towards your knee, extend the knee and try to use the leg that goes down into pulling your body towards your leg even more, yes? Otherwise, if you're a pro, super flexy, grab your feet and go up, up, stretch more. Again, up, up, stretch more. And every time you flex, feel that you're almost trying to pull your leg out of the floor. Keep engaging your quads. And in, and out, and in, and out. Very good. Lift up. Keep on breathing. Twist and go towards the foot. Remember, if you can't grab the foot, grab just below the knee. And you go. Otherwise, peekaboo moment. And again, flex up, push down even more, and flex, and extend, bend, extend, bend, extend. Few more. Bend, extend, bend, extend, release, come up. Very good. From here, simple. Feet in front, let them drop on the side. And release the hips, very good. To the other side. And release, other side. And in, to the side. Come back to starting position. Find the sit bones onto the ground. Chin out of the water. Nice swimming pool you can't reach. Yes, that's the one. Lift up. Shoulders up. From there, release the shoulders down, but your head stays where it is. You brush the walls side to side. Calm down, stay up and elongated. And well done. Very well done, guys. I really hope you enjoyed that and now you feel nice and stretched out. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and remember to come and check out Lace Dancer Studio for exclusive workouts, ballet steps, ballet things and everything you want. It's over there. Otherwise, I'll see you next Wednesday here on YouTube, guys. Mwah, ciao!